Good morning. My name is Nelly Jamile Moya Fandiño. I have 22 years old. I currently in the works and study. I from countryside in the live with my parents and brothers. At the moment, I live in the Chia Cundinamarca. Hobbies and preferences. I to like I to live in the playing basketball in the Riyadh works and professional grow. In the running in the bicycle every weekends and pets in the dog and named in the muñeca. And the important English and professional in the and to the grow professional and personally in the keep and support the works in the care and protection of the health supporting a family in the fathers or the sister and brothers. Thank you so much.